I am at my hometown. My God. He's one of the best person in my life. I'm going home in this weekend. It's a village time, so let's go. My journey just started. Good morning guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is a special day. I am at my hometown, that is Seldov. My friends called this village as a Seldov country because this village has some unique features, unique places and unique farms. Here we have a lot of farms, so that all farms are so unique that I want to share with you guys. For that we have to prepare our bike. First task is complete, filled up in both the tires and we are ready to go. So let's go. So guys, I just heard of one sad story about my village. 1.5 months back we had one accident here. I want to show you that thing. Look at this plant guys, it's a massive, and some group of people are having a party just beside the tree. This nature always reminds us what nature and what humans are. So this is one of the example. Some disaster here and one lady caught in this massive plant and she died. So it's a sad thing, but be careful while enjoying or doing party and take necessary safety precautions to avoid such accidents. So, this reminds me how dangerous is these disasters. Let's continue our journey guys and see. This area is so dangerous. My God. Just reached at our farm. There is my Papaji and my brother. I want to show you one thing. That is Kua. Look at the flow of water guys. Lot of water. We have arrangement for sprinklers here. And these are all cute doggies here. The last time visited, I actually drive this tractor. I know you don't believe me, but that shit is actually happened. It's a John Deere tractor and it has a 2-gear system. One is here and one is here. And by visual inspection, it looks me cool. Only the one thing, that is the tire. It's wear out completely, but still they are using it. So I have to tell my brother to replace this thing. It's a cool tractor guys. One more instrument here is like this is a rotavator. This is a rotavator. This used to prepare the farm for rain so that it gives a good output from crops. I don't know much about the farming. So guys, I want to introduce to the owner of this farm. He is one of the best person in my life. I want to tell you that thing. That is Deepak Bhai. You met one Deepak in Pune, and this is the Deepak. Both are best buddies of my life. So this whole property is owned by him. Any word, Bhaiya? Nothing. Through my eyes, you all gonna see this. So behind me we have two buildings. One is old, that is old farmhouse, and this is the new built farmhouse. And see guys, wherever your eyes reach, that all farm, all land is owned by him. You can see here we have lot of setup like sprinklers and what you can see with this drip irrigation. So right now summer is going on, so we don't use it. So they just keep things in store like this. This is a new farmhouse, guys. They use it for storage. This is Somalgarh, one of the beautiful mountain in the Sildo country. It is 40 acres of land, and they have a mixture farming here, like orange farming, the bananas farming, cotton is the main, and these all farms are ready to ready for cotton crop, right? Yeah, all preparation done, guys. So only we all are waiting for big cloud, dark clouds. Some clouds are coming. So once the proper raining start, farming will start. When I was a child, I used to come here to enjoy my short holidays. That a huge thing this is for me. It reminds me of my childhood. We used to come here and eat lot of santras, oranges, and sitafals. You can see these are Keli farm. Cargo? Snakes, scorpions, jungly dukkar. So this is banana farming. Simba, come guys. Little Simba of the... Oh my god. Look at him, guys. He is so cute. Okay, it is enough for you. Now leave us alone. He loves my brother. That is the exit gate of the farm, and I just gave you the little tour of this huge farm. So guys, and now it's time to go to the first mountain of my village, that is Somalgarh. And that Somalgarh had a lot of history, so I will tell you once I will be there. So we just stopped to show you this cool environment, because just now heavy rainfall in my village. I would say it's a pre-monsoon rain, so that makes a very cool environment here. And with me we have one friend. His name is Pankaj. So guys, we reached at the Somalgarh. This is the small mountain, but this mountain had a lot of history with my village. And look at the sky, guys. This place has a unique history of my village. Like my village name is Seldav, and previously, past 100 or 200 years back, my village, actual village, was this where I am standing right now. You can see there is no symbol of any home or something here right now, but actually just beside that mandir and that area we used to have a proper civilized home like thing. Our village moves 1-2 kilometer towards the highway, so that is the history. You can see a lot of animals here. So let's head towards the top. From that we will going to see the proper sunset and the best view of my village. So guys, right now we are at the top of the Somalgarh. Just now he reminds me one more cool thing about this place. At the bottom side of this mountain, we actually have one tunnel. In local language they called it as a Bangkhuri. The Britishers used this mountain to explode the faulty bombs. So I think somewhere there they were having a tunnel inside this mountain, and lot of live bomb we can still find in this mountain, I think so. But it's a dangerous, so it's prohibited by the government. Look at the beauty, guys. See guys, because of cloud I don't think we